Hi friends, this video shows how to change PS5 console language. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system select language. Then select console language. Here you can see the default language English United States. So I am going to change this to English UK. It's applying changes, done. See, now console language has changed. So this way we can change console language. So let me go back to English United States. Okay, done. So please check it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.